Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. In today's video, we'll be talking about common spelling mistakes Indian make. Without wasting much time, let's have the first word, receive. The correct spelling is R-E-C-E-I. So this combination of I and E is something you should be very careful about. Next we have success. The correct spelling is C-S-U-C-C-E-S. So there will be two C and two S in success. We have already created one of the videos to talk about common grammar mistakes Indian make. I'm leaving the link over here. Do check that. Next we have definitely. The correct spelling is definitely. Remember, there is finite in between. Finite, F-I-N-I-T-E. Instead of writing A, we have to write E, definitely. Next we have separate. The correct spelling is S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. So instead of writing P-E-R, you have to say P-A-R, separate, separate. Next we have tomorrow. The correct spelling is T-O-M-O-R-R-O. No need to write double M, that is wrong. Next we have a lot. I have a lot of ice creams. I had lot of dinner. The correct spelling is a lot. There is a gap in between, a space in between. Next we have pronunciation. People generally tend to write pronunciation. This is wrong. The correct is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Next we have environment. Environment. The correct spelling is R-N-M-E-N. Generally this N is a silent N. We don't say this N, but in the spelling you have to write. So you will say environment, but there is an N which is silent. Environment. Next we have February. February. So the correct spelling is R-U. Generally people don't write this R. Let me know in the comment section how many you were writing it wrong or you were saying them wrong. It's February. Next we have 40. 40. People generally use U here, which is wrong. It should be 40. 40. Next we have guarantee. The correct spelling is R-A-N-T-E. Don't say E, you have to say A. Guarantee. Guarantee. Next we have government. It's not government, it's government. 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 Okay. Next we have government. The correct pronunciation is again the silent N is there. People generally don't write or say that. Government. This N is silent. So in the speaking terms, you may not have to say the silent N because that's silent of course. But when you write, you have to put that government. Next we have maintenance. People generally make this mistake of E and A. It's maintenance. Maintenance. No need to say A-I here. It's maintenance. Maintenance. Next we have intelligent. There is double L here. Always remember that. Intelligent. Next we have equipment. That's wrong. The correct is equipment. No need to say P here. Single P is more than enough. Equipment. Next we have, actually this is also correct, but the word that we have is college. College. This is collage. Collage. Collage means collection of pictures. College means a place where students go to learn. That's college, that's collage. Both are correct, but if I had to say college, this is the correct one. Next we have accommodation. The correct pronunciation is A-C-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-I-N. Generally people don't write double M. Accommodation. Accommodation. Next we have committee. The correct spelling is C-O-M-M-I-T-E-E. So there is double M, double T, double E. Three doubles. M-M-T-T-E-E. Committee. Committee. Actually, it's not committee, it's committee. Committee. Next we have liaison. The correct pronunciation is L-I-A-I-S-O-N. So this I is important over here. This I is important. No need to put any I over here. Liaison. Liaison. Okay? Liaison. This I is silent. People generally tend to miss that. Next we have achieve. The correct is here. Now please notice, when we were writing receive, I said this is the correct spelling. Remember? C-E-I-I. But here when we write achieve, the spelling will change. A-C-H-I-V-E. So here I and E will come together. Here E and I will come together. There is an exception in terms of C. Whenever there is a C letter, E and I will come after that. But if you have any other letter, you will follow IE as a combination. Next we have rhythm. The correct spelling is RHY. RHY. Again, H is silent. That's why people miss it. Rhythm. Next we have precede. Precede. The correct spelling is DE. Generally people don't write this. So what they're trying to say here is there is another word called as proceed. Proceed. That's another word. Here we are talking about precede. So E is important. Next we have dependent. The correct spelling is PEN. Dependent. I'm dependent on you. So no need to say A over here. You have to say E. Dependent. There is no A over here. E. 3 E's in this word. Next you have lieutenant. Looks like lieutenant, but it's the correct pronunciation is lieutenant, and the spelling is very tricky over here. LIEUTENAN. So there is tenant over here. There is lieutenant over here. Lieutenant. Lieutenant. The pronunciation is entirely different from the spelling, so you have to be very careful. Lieutenant. Next we have vacuum. The correct spelling is VACUUM. This is how generally people write, but the correct is vacuum. Vacuum. Next we have business. I am 100% sure you all are making mistake in this. I used to make a mistake. So this is tricky part. It's busyness. Actually, the written way is BUSINES, but the spelling is this, pronunciation is business. Business. Next we have occasion. You will write CCASION. Occasion. This is the occasion of Holi. By the way, happy Holi to everyone. If you have celebrated or you're going to celebrate, happy Holi. It's a wonderful occasion. Next we have tuition. The spelling is this, TUITION. Tuition. Next we have pursue. The correct spelling is PURSUE, not pursue. It's pursue. Pursue. I'm pursuing my graduation. Next we have this. How do you pronounce this? I think people say accessory. It's accessory. Accessory. So we have double C, double S. Accessory. Next you have nothing. The session is over. If you want to claim this PDF, you have to write us an email on learnwithsamanash@gmail.com. We'll be more than happy to share all the free PDFs that we have created in this series. Do follow our advanced English course. It's over here. And if you want to check our speaking club where we practice with one another, you have to visit our website english.learnwithsamanash.com. Our new batch is coming up soon. I hope you had a lot of fun. Leave a comment and let me know what do you like about this video. Thank you. See you later.